To the sneak peek of the Creation Club. The Creation Club is a monthly mastermind created to help you create a life and a business you love with health, wealth, and business all in one, with the tips, tools, and technology to set you up for success, to take action, and to get results. So what's included in the sneak peek and who am I? The sneak peek is going to give you a deeper dive into each of the 12 themes, because I know with a brand new concept and not knowing who I am, being a little bit leery about the value that you can receive from this and how you can help transform your life and create what you love. So you'll experience daily for the sneak peek, jumpstart transformation, then unleashing inspiration, then clutter to clarity, then time to transform, smart social, moneymaker, and the rest of the 12 themes that I'm going to show you in the behind the scenes video with clips of what's in the sneak peeks and or what may be in the modules as you continue. Because you guys, this is an ongoing mastermind with, if you decide to create with us in our community, you'll end up getting brand new content every week. So I'm going to show you the value that's in there, okay?
Perfectly and authentically. So here's a sneak peek, so enjoy!